a little card and it details everything about the product, so I'll refer to this as we go along. And it has a lot of worms to protect the products. And there you go. Just give you a quick sneak peek there. Some information about the box. Every so often a brand appears on our radar that we just know will deliver on every product. When we first discovered Doctor's Formula, we felt sure we were onto a winner. Its probiotics range of products is pioneering and has earned itself a cult following. Infused with power-packed ingredients, Doctor's Formula's genius products have a cosmeceutical background, so they harness the very best active ingredients on the market, which have been clinically proven to have corrective results on the skin. Whether your issue is hormone-related acne, pollution-related dullness, or age-related fine lines. This is a collection of the skincare and body products we have tried, tested, fallen in love with, and given permanent status in our bathroom cabinets. We reckon you will do the same. First up, we've got a set of Ampoules. These are Pick Me Up Skin Illuminating Ampoule for dull skin. Out of packaging there. And there's 7 in total. What can I tell you about it? The recommended retail price for these ampoules are £59. These high potency shots will slip seamlessly into your current skincare regime, turbocharging your skin and giving an intensive dose of energizing, radiance boosting ingredients when it really needs it. Expect to see more luminous, glowy skin after adding this 7-day dose to your current regime. That's what they look like there. You just snap off the top and apply it to your skin. Next, we've got a product for the whole body. This is Skin Tightening Serum, the skincare solution for everybody. We've got 100 mils there. That's what it looks like there. The recommended retail price is £59. The brightening, gently exfoliating, tightening effect of this body treatment makes it an excellent tool for achieving visibly firmer and more taut skin. So combined with daily massage, it makes a really effective daily treatment for improving skin's texture and minimising the appearance of wrinkles and looser areas of skin. Okay. Ooh! I wasn't sure how much would come out. So a body serum. It feels amazing and it absorbs really quickly as well. It says focus on areas that need a lift. So there's that. Next we got an overnight repairing 8-hour night moisturiser, and there's 50 mils here. Now I think I've tried this one before. No, I have tried products from this brand, but in different packaging, so it confuses me. I might well have tried this before. The overnight moisturiser I've tried is in like a turquoise tub with a silver lid. It's really, really nice. It smells gorgeous. If I remember, it smells, do you remember Dewberry, the perfume the Body Shop used to do? It smells like that. So I'm not sure if this is the same thing or not. It just says apply in the evening after cleansing and applying your serum. Well, let's have a smell. Let's see what it's like. Ooh, oh my god, what is wrong with me? I'm pressing it too hard. Look, too much, too much. Oh, it has got a faint dewberry scent to it. Not as strong as the one I had though. The recommended retail price for this overnight cream is £89. The night cream contains a unique blend of probiotic ingredients which work together to replenish moisture so you wake up to a visibly smoother and more radiant complexion. Cleverly, this genius formula helps to maximize cell regeneration, keeping your skin hydrated whilst you sleep, which happens to be when your skin's transepidermal water loss is at its highest. A truly multitasker that targets so many concerns. Next, we've got a Pure Skin Japanese Camellia No Mark Oil. This is another one for the body, and we've got 100 mils here. No Mark Oil. So I'm assuming it's a body oil that absorbs really quickly and nicely into your skin to leave no stickiness and marks. Possibly. The recommended retail price for this oil is £59. Rich in fatty acids, this delicious oil blend is super effective at preventing stretch marks, making it a genius formula in our books. Just to make it even more special, it doubles up as a nourishing treatment for nails, hair and scalp. This body oil is actually incredibly lightweight, making it the perfect post-shower treatment for hydrating dry limbs. A clever, hard-working product that's a real luxury to use. Okay, where am I going to use it? I've already got creams and stuff. Only a little bit on my arm. Very subtle scent. Not much. Oh, I love an oil. I love an oil on my skin. It feels really nice. It is lightweight, as it says. A multitasking body oil there. And lastly, we've got a serum. This is hyaluronic acid serum, progressive skin enhancing serums for a total skin workout. And the recommended retail price for the serum is £34.90. What takes this formula to the next level is the clever addition of citric acid and AHA, which gently lifts dead skin cells, leaving skin exfoliated and brighter and primed for absorbing all that gorgeous hyaluronic acid. Added vitamin B5 helps skin to hold on to moisture for an extra boost. A concoction of hero ingredients in one powerful, promising product. Okay, let's try a little bit then. The amount of products these hands have on them is amazing, especially now that it's advent calendar season. I'm swatching and trying everything. So we've got a hyaluronic acid serum there. So those are all the products inside this box. The cost